In this tutorial, we want to look at the live path effect dashed stroke in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So let's go to draw something or get something by going to objects and symbols, and then in the symbol section choose AIGA symbol sign, this one here, and then I'm going to use this to show what I want. So just select it and bring it here, and then maybe we can even make it a bit bigger if we will, so that you can see. Now I need to convert, this is a symbol, and now I want to convert it to a path. So I just go to path, object to path, and then they are grouped. I want to ungroup it, so go to object, ungroup. Now what I want to introduce the dashes to is this the stairs here. So select outside and come and select the stairs, and then go to path effects, and then you get this box here, and go to plus, and then we choose dashed stroke. Now you see this happens. So I want to explain to you what is happening. Now I'll remove all of this for the time being. Now the number of dashes we chose are 3. So you see we have 3 dashes here. Now the thing is that the whole factor is the hole that you want in between. If you increase this, you see that the gap will be reducing. I bring it back to where it was. If you check this one here, it means that you want each segment to have 3 dashes. So let's see here. If I check it, you see. Now if you check this one, starts and end of each segment has half size. So the starts and end of each of the segments, they will have, the sizes will be half, not the whole length. So it reduces, and then you can unify the dashes. What does this do? What this is does it approximately unifies the dashes length by using the minimal length segment. So the segments which has the minimal, in this case maybe this or this, it will make all of this uniform. So this is what you get. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.